Children, let us go through the concept of pronouns in brief today. I'm sure you must have gone through the concept of pronouns in your very junior classes. Let us have a quick briefing up of what are pronouns and how many kinds are they of. Pronouns. So pronouns, as the definition goes, it is used in place of nouns. So whichever words we use in place of nouns are known as pronouns. Now what is the need to use pronouns? Why can't we use the nouns again and again? Let us see for an example. Ravi goes to school. Okay, so Ravi is the noun here. Then Ravi attends all the classes. Ravi is good in studies. What is something odd about all this? When I go on speaking, I go on repeating Ravi goes to school. Again, Ravi attends all the classes. Ravi is good in studies. So this noun is being repeated again and again. And it sounds something odd. So in this place, if I say once, first one, Ravi goes to school. And then if I say, he attends all the classes. Okay? So that sounds better, isn't it? Ravi goes to school. He attends all the classes. He is good in studies. Now it sounds better. In fact, grammatically perfect. So the words which I have replaced, he has replaced Ravi. So this is a pronoun. He is a pronoun used here, and it sounds better when we use a pronoun in place of a noun instead of continuously going on repeating the noun again and again. So that is the purpose of using a pronoun. Let us see the definition that has been marked. A pronoun is a word standing for a name or for a person or thing, or for a group of persons or things. So that is a pronoun. That is a word which stands for a name or for a person or thing, or for a group of persons or things. So even it can stand for a group of persons or things. Now, what is the need for pronouns? See, it is irritating to repeat the noun when we wish to speak of a name several times in succession. For example, Mukesh said that Mukesh and Mukesh's brother are going in Mukesh's car to buy a gift for Mukesh and Mukesh's brother's mother. So it is totally very irritating if we go on speaking the noun several times, and that too in quick successions, like as it has happened in this sentence. So instead of this one is to avoid all these things, what can be done which will be much simpler and better? Mukesh said that he and his brother were going in his car to buy a gift for their mother. So there, this word has replaced which ones? Mukesh and Mukesh's brothers. See, such a huge phrase has been replaced by a single word, and that sounds much better. There. So there is also a pronoun. So instead of using the noun again and again in quick succession several times, it's much better to use a pronoun. First, we have named Mukesh the noun that we are concerned, and then we have replaced it with he, his brother. Mukesh's brother, his brother. We are going in his car, Mukesh's car, to buy a gift for Mukesh, and Mukesh's brother's mother becomes their mother. So that's the purpose why we use pronouns, and it is very much needed in grammar.